Alright, here we go. We are zeroed. One more time. Let's see what we can do. We are good. Beautiful day. Lordy man. Okay. Let's get that last bit, make the U-turn. Seems to be clear. Good. In the parking lot moving? Nope. That was a good run. Could have stayed into it a little longer. I should have stayed into it a little longer, but oh, we got a car. See if she liked what we did. Felt strong. Today is the test day. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. We are getting there. Gonna make a couple more moves today and call it for what it is. See where we can go.